Principal view in eVAL on one particular teacher, focusing on the idea of that particular teacher's artifacts. You've already looked at those artifacts. You've opened up. I'm not going to do that now. You've downloaded, you've done your work there. Now, in the year-to-date evidence, all those artifacts have already been aligned to different domains or the different state 8, either by you, the principal, because you uploaded it, or by the teacher. So let's take a look what that is. Now we're here, and this navigator is going to help us get through the 4 Danielson domains or the state 8. I transition between the two at this point here, the state 8 or the 4 domain in Danielson. Currently, I'm on the state 8, and we'll take a look at this. So I'm going to go to one of them here to where in the criterion 1, I've got the work that's there. I would like to look at 2B in criterion 1. Now I have these items that are grayed here, showing that there are different artifacts that are connected to that. Knowing the artifact, either I could open by clicking here, and it opens up that website that this artifact is, or if I click on the gray box, watch what happens to the navigator. The navigator says you want to package some of this together. So it's the artifact with the idea the teacher or you aligned it to the criterion. In this case, principal A did it, aligned it to different criterion. Um, from there, the next part is to show that rubric work to give it kind of a, at the moment, I dare say score, but it's not a score. So a leveling is what I'm going to use instead of score. So if I had read through it and this happens to show the classroom culture as a cognitively busy place where learning is valued by all with high expectations. When I select this text, see how it's highlighted and now this becomes here? I can also select other evidence piece, select that piece and then create that package of evidence. Now, what does that do is back up here at 2B, where there was 3 chunks, 3 artifacts. There's 2 left that I haven't worked with. One of them has been packaged. All right. So I can do that with the other 2 as well and show that, well, this part it also did the the understanding and showcase that. And the last one didn't necessarily do that. It was a little closer to the teacher appears to just go through. So now you can see how I have 3 pieces of evidence that are connected to 2B. 3 of them are packaged, and the package is here, here, and here, and evidence here. Proficient has 2 of them. Basic is 1 of them. I bring that up because the last piece, performance, proficient is 2 of them. Basic is 1 of them. Just like it says here, proficient is 2, basic is 1. So looking at how do I take the artifacts of a teacher that have already been aligned by the teacher or myself as the principal, going to the year-to-date evidence, and then going through each of the criterion artifacts connected there and looking at how is it packaged together with rubric statements.